Hey guys, Roby here with the Divi Engine team. Welcome to the Divi Form Builder documentation. In this video, I'll be showing you how you'd go about mapping user-related fields on your registration and login forms using the Divi Form Builder plugin. So I'm not going to waste too much time, let's get right to it. Okay guys, so as usual, I'm already logged into the backend of my Divi site here, and I've got a page open with a form I created earlier that's just kind of like a standard login form with one custom field on there, and we'll get to that in a little bit. When I open up the settings here, they pop up and you can see all the options as you normally would. But we're first going to look at the username field here. If I click into those settings and scroll down a bit, we get to the mapping options for this field. Now, when you expand the mapping type or the field mapping type here, you'll see that there are a few user related options here. And the first one's the user field. And that will be used on registration or login forms only. And then the user meta field, same thing, registration and login forms only. Now, if I select user field here, we get to the default user mapping option, and we'll expand that. And that will always relate to what you select in the top box there. So just take a note of that. And also what's very important is just making sure that the type of field you use here matches up to the type it would be in the database. So for a username, it would be an input field type, because in the database, it's also input. So, and then also, of course, if you use password, you need to use the password field type. So that's very important to note here. Now, if I select username here, I just get no more options because Divi Form Builder already knows now that if I am typing anything into this box here, it will be assigned to the username field. So that's pretty simple stuff. And just again, you need to make sure that those input types match up to what's in the database. Alrighty, so I'm going to click yes here, and then I'm going to go back to my fields up here. And let's select this favorite color type because this is going to speak to the other option we had in there. I'm going to scroll down to my mapping options, and here I can click on the field mapping type, and now we'll select user meta field. Now what this means is this is all the fields that pertain to custom fields that you added to your users that you want to gather more data on them. Here I'm using the example of favorite color, but it could be favorite book. It could be any type of other metric, favorite food, or anything else you want to track on your users. Now, the thing that's important to note here is that when you use that, you need to know that custom fields ID. And I've got my favorite color. I created it in ACF. So I already know that this is favorite underscore color. And now what that'll do when I hit that login or register button, it is going to map that field to that custom field that was created. So it's pretty easy to do and very useful when you want to keep things up to date with your users. So guys, that's pretty much it. This is user field mapping with Divi Form Builder. Now, if I don't answer all of your questions here, definitely check out the documentation at help.diviengine.com. or submit a support ticket to a very friendly support team, and they'll be sure to help you out. So guys, that's it from me, Roby, with the Divi Engine team. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye for now.